All right, so continuing our journey towards a better understanding of the base 12 version of pi. In this video, I just want to go over all the steps that we've taken to get us to this point, which is the point where we're almost finished completing the first ring of the diagram that generates all 360 degrees. So this is what that looks like. This is where we're going. So the first thing that we need to do in creating this diagram is create this diagram here, this seed of life pattern, which generates the first division of the circle into 24 equal sections. So basically 30-degree sections. It's the backbone of the entire diagram. So once we've established those degree lines, then we work our way along the 45-degree line, so working in units of square root of 2, and we go to the fourth ring of the dodecagon. So each section of dodecagon is 0.96 root 2, so 4 times 0.96 root 2 is 3.2 root 2. So to convert that to a complete square root, we square 3.2, we get a.04. So square root of 80.04 times the square root of 2 results in square root of 18.08. So that's the radius of the first circle that we draw. Then we create another circle by adding 0.5 root 2 to the first circle at a 90-degree angle. So we're using the Pythagorean theorem to figure out the hypotenuse of the side of that triangle, which is the radius of the second ring. So 18.08 plus 0.42, which is the length of that b squared in the triangle, gives us the result of 18.4a. So square root of 18.4a is the radius of the second circle. So we draw those two circles, and then we, where they're crossing the 15-degree line, we set our compass first to 0.5 root 2, bring it down to the 15-degree line, make points on the outer ring. Then we set our compass to the radius of the circles, put them on the points that we just made, and draw two new circles. So we can see that the relationship that those circles have to the 15-degree line is exactly the same that these circles have to the 45-degree line. So the next thing that we do is set our compass to point a root 2, which is half of the length of the decagon, and we draw another circle and that sort of encompasses both of the circles that we just drew. So that's the sort of the last step in terms of creating the units that we're going to be working with. This large circle with two smaller circles inside of it. And again, the diameter of that circle is 1 unit of the dodecagon. The fourth ring is the length of 1.8 root 2. So then what we do is we connect those circles. So we draw a line between them, and in the next video we're going to look at the angle that's been created inside all of the smaller circles. So I hope you can join me for that as we progress towards a better understanding of this diagram and ultimately to the base 12 version of pi. Thanks for watching.